Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's see how to choose over course versus certifications versus projects for data science. Okay, so for example, if you are in a non-technical background or if you are from any other domain, if you want to switch it to the data science means, so whenever you want to switch into the data science, you will ask your friends or the relatives like which course is better and which certification is better, like so that I want to jump into the data science. Okay, so many of your friends will tell like you can do that particular course, you can do this particular certification, and that certification will cost you some like 30,000, 40,000, 50,000. And some will suggest some course like there is one course you can do that particular course and that course will cost you some 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh, 5 lakh rupees and all. Okay, so what I would suggest is instead of choosing over course or the certifications, try to do as much as end-to-end projects and try to include those projects in your resume whenever you are looking for the data science job. Okay, because whenever you are attending any kind of interview for the data science, like the recruiters or the panelist will ask the questions based on your projects. Okay, so only if you mention the projects in your resume, there is a high chances of getting shortlisted for the interview. Okay, so even if you mention 10 to 15 courses or certifications in your resume, it is not going to help you at all. Okay, so try to do as much as POC projects, proof of concept projects. Try to do as much as end-to-end projects. You can get the data sets from the Kaggle website. You can download the data sets and you can try to do the projects. Okay, and try to mention all those projects which you have done in your resume. Okay, so I'm not telling that doing the course or the certification is bad. You can do the course or the certification. It's something like it just add on to your resume. But if you do as much as end-to-end projects, that is really going to help you in order to get the interview calls. And the recruiters or the panelist will ask and they will see like what kind of projects you have done, and based on those projects they will ask you the questions in the interview. Okay, so what I would suggest is like don't spend much money on the course or the certifications, but if you're really interested to do some course or the certifications you can do it. But what I would suggest is try to do the projects. That is really going to help you in order to get any kind of data science jobs. Okay, so this is the clarification like how to choose our course versus certifications versus projects for data science. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. Hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you and all. Thank you. Bye bye.